Stop watching the market. Start thinking like a sniper trader. Let me guess. You wake up, open your charts, and from that moment, you don't leave. You're watching every candle, every tick, every little movement. Price goes up, you feel excited. Price drops, your heart sinks. You tell yourself, I don't want to miss the move. So you sit there, watching, waiting, and then suddenly you jump into a trade. No plan, no confirmation, just impulse. And what happens? The market reverses. You panic. You close early, or worse, you hold and hope. And at the end of the day, you're drained, frustrated, and your account is down again. If you're honest, that's literally you. Look, here's the thing. In this video, I'm going to show you why watching the market all day is actually destroying your profitability, and how thinking like a sniper trader can completely transform your results. Because once you understand this, you'll stop overtrading, you'll stop chasing price, and you'll start taking only high probability setups that actually pay. And listen, if this video helps you shift your mindset, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because this might be the exact discipline you've been missing. The biggest mistake traders make. Let's challenge something most traders believe. The more I watch the market, the better I'll trade. Sounds logical, right? Wrong, because here's what most people don't realize. The more you watch the market, the more emotional you become. Why watching the market makes you worse. Look, your brain is not built to sit in uncertainty for hours. When you stare at charts all day, you start seeing setups that don't exist. You feel the urge to act. You confuse movement with opportunity. This is called action bias. Your brain hates doing nothing, so it forces you to do something, even when you shouldn't. The stat that will shock you. Studies in trading behavior show that overtrading is one of the top reasons retail traders lose money. In fact, traders who take more trades tend to have lower profitability. Why? Because more trades does not equal better trades. The sniper versus machine gun trader. Let me simplify this. There are two types of traders. Machine gun trader fires constantly, takes every setup, reacts emotionally, always in the market. Result? Small wins, big losses, inconsistent growth. Sniper trader waits patiently, executes only high probability setups, has clear entry and exit, emotionally detached. Result? Fewer trades, higher quality, consistent profit. The psychology of impatience. Now, you might be thinking, but if I don't watch the market, I'll miss opportunities. Look, that's fear talking, fear of missing out, FOMO. And here's the truth, there will always be another trade. But your capital, once it's gone, it's gone. The math of overtrading. Let's break it down. Trader A, overtrader, 20 trades per week, risk $50 per trade, win rate 45%. After a week, wins 9 times $100 equals $900. Losses 11 times minus $50 equals minus $550. Net equals $350. Sounds okay, but because of emotions, they cut winners early, $70 instead of $100. Let losers run, minus $80 instead of minus $50. New result, wins equals $630, losses equals minus $880. Net equals minus $250. Now, Trader B, Sniper, 5 trades per week, same risk and reward, 60% win rate. Wins equals 3 times $100 equals $300. Losses equals 2 times minus $50 equals minus $100. Net equals $200. Less effort, less stress, more consistency. This is where it gets really interesting. Here's what most people don't realize. The best traders spend more time waiting than trading. Let that sink in. Analogy. A sniper doesn't shoot every second. He waits hours, sometimes days, for one perfect shot. That's how professionals operate. The danger of constant screen time. When you sit in front of charts all day, you lose objectivity. You start forcing trades. You become reactive instead of strategic. And the worst part, you think you're working hard, but you're actually destroying your edge. Shift your identity. Here's the real transformation. Stop being a reactive trader. Start being a selective trader. Old mindset. I need to be in the market. Let me catch this move. I don't want to miss the opportunity. New mindset. I wait for my setup. No setup, no trade. Patience is profit. How to think like a sniper trader. Let's get practical. Define your setup clearly. You should know exactly what you're looking for. If it's not clear, it's not tradable. Limit your trading window. Don't watch the market all day. Pick specific sessions. Example, London Open, New York Open. Outside that, you don't trade. Set alerts, not emotions. Let the market come to you. Set price alerts. Close your chart. Live your life. Accept boredom. This is key. Profitable trading is boring. If you're constantly excited, you're probably gambling. Track your trades. You need data, not feelings. Track entry reason, exit reason, outcome. This builds discipline. A real story. There was a trader who used to sit 10 hours a day watching charts. He thought, this means more screen time equals more profit. But he kept losing. Then he changed one thing. He stopped watching constantly. He defined his setup, set alerts, and only traded when conditions were perfect. Guess what happened? His trades dropped from 20 per week to 5, but his profits doubled. Same market, different approach. Here's the truth no one tells you. The market rewards patience, not activity. You don't get paid for how long you watch. You get paid for how well you execute. So the next time you feel the urge to sit and watch every candle, ask yourself, am I trading or just reacting? Because that question will save your account. And look, if this video helped you see trading differently, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because the difference between struggling traders and profitable traders is not effort, it's discipline. Stop watching the market, start thinking like a sniper.